Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the left. So we have the positive in here. Next, we multiply both sides by s squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we can use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that 2 over s including the positive side, that is for integrating factor. So I will put this one gone here. And we have number 2 f and s. Later that we put number 2 go inside about f and s. And this one we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by s squared. So this one we have 2s. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have s squared y. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of 2s over number 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. And now we have the integration s to the power of 3 e to the power of 2s ds. And now we continue using integration by parts. And this one, that is about s to the power of 3. And that is about 3s squared. So this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v, so number 3/2. And now we have the integration. So we can use about integration by parts. So this one we have s squared. So this one we have 2s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v so we can use about integration by parts again. And now that is about s. So we have u multiplied by v so we have the integration du with v, so I will put 1/2 in here. So the integration of this one, we have 1/2 e to the power of 2s, and I will put c in here. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.